the little engine who raced ahead. One day, Thomas was in the yard at Knapford Station when something unusual caught his eye.
Huh? That's strange. Did you see something yellow rushing around, Percy?
Something yellow? Like a banana?
A banana?
No, Thomas, I didn't.
Oh! Hello there. My name's Philip. I'm a diesel box cab.
Hello, Philip. I'm Thomas, and my friend is called Percy.
I've come to work on the Fat Controller's Railway.
With us?
I don't know, maybe. I'm supposed to shunt trucks, but I'm not sure which ones. Oh, maybe those back there.